Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Are you also getting Steamtools no internet connection error while accessing Steam on your PC? Well, if you are also into the same situation and looking for fixes, no need to worry, just follow the methods one by one. So the very first thing is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, just click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once you have done this, now check if the error you are coming across on Steam is removed or not, or solved or not. If not, next is to turn off real-time protection. So for that you have to go to the search option, search for Windows security or settings, or after that here you have to click on virus and threat protection. After that, go below, click on manage settings, and here you can see real-time protection. In my case it is turned off, but if it is turned on, then you are suggested to turn it off, and after that restart your Steam once and then check if the issue is fixed or not. If not, next is to clear cache on Steam. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You have to confirm it. After confirming it, you have to log into your Steam with your username and password, and after that check if the problem you're coming across is resolved or not. If not, next is to flush DNS. So for that you have to go to the search option, search for command prompt. Now once your command prompt opens, here is the command that I have already provided in the description. You just have to copy and paste it one by one. So simply copy and paste it here. After that, again copy this and paste it in the command prompt. So you have to do it one by one. After that, copy this, paste it here. After that, again copy this and paste it in the command prompt. And after this, copy it at last and paste it in the command prompt. So by doing this, check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next is to check for Steam client update. So go to Steam, click on Steam option over here. You can see check for Steam client update. Simply click on it and it will check if there is any update available. So here you can see a Steam client update is available. Would you like to download it? So simply click on download option, or you can choose later on. And once you have done this, now check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.